L'home que treballa fent de gos a les festes infantils treu la pols a la disfressa.
Hey, hello my audience. I'm Felix Colomer and today I'm gonna explain conditional conjunctions. I will try to teach the conditional conjunctions. All of the information I will explain in this little activity oral exercise you have all in this book, the workbook of San Nicolau School, second bachelorette. All the information is here. Okay, we're gonna start with conditional conjunctions. We can use different words and phrases to replace if in a conditional clause. When the conditional clause appears first in a sentence, with a comma to separate it from the main clause. The first conditional conjunction we will work is even if. A little description first. We use even if to emphasize the condition in the present, future or past. Examples. You can see here, even if I was a millionaire, I wouldn't give them any money. This is present and then future. Another example. Even if you tell the truth now, nobody will believe you. This is even if. We can follow now with as long. Sorry. We can follow with as long as or prohibiting that. We can use these two forms to mean only if. We often use these phrases with the first and second conditional. Examples. As long as you pay me back before the end of the month, I will lend you the money. It means it's the same that if we say, I will only lend you the money if you pay me back before the end of the month. Another example with providing that. We will get the ticket providing that you agree to drive us to the concert. It's the same if we say, if you don't agree to drive us to the concert, we won't get the tickets. This is as long as I'm providing that. We follow with unless. We can express negative conditions with unless, which means if, not. It always refers to the conditional clause and not the result clause in the sentence. Example. That new clothes shop. Example, sorry. I will start again. That new clothes shop will have to close unless it gets more customers. It's the same that if we say it's the same that the new clothes shop will have to close if it doesn't get more customers. It's all for today. Thank you, my audience. We will come back soon. Thank you and goodbye.
Puja al Seat Panda trotinat, que avui quasi ni s'ha engegat i no pot mai passar de quarta. Avui l'ha contractat.